Hey friends, this is softwaring and I'm Rodman. Today I bring to you another important analysis, especially called modal analysis. So in this video I will show you how can you do a modal analysis of any structure using an Ansys workbench. So as you know the drill, the problem description is here. So what we have to do is just we conduct a modal analysis and we will determine the first 6 natural frequency with their respective mode shapes. So to start with, we have to open our workbench. So from our workbench analysis system, we have to select modal. Double click on modal. Yeah, so the material in this analysis is the structural steel, so we have to check on the engineering data source. So by default, Ansys workbench accepts the structural steel as a default material, so we can proceed to the geometry part. So double click on the geometry. Yeah, once it's open, we have to sketch. First, we have to adjust our unit, so our unit is millimeter. So let us select one plane and make normal 2 for edge sketching, and then we have to create a sketch. Let us create an area by rectangle and let us dimension it. This is 10 by 50 rectangle. So let us extrude 50 millimeter depths and generate it. We can and make it isometric. So now we can. I think we made a mistake. I'm not sure where it was. Now the length is 250 millimeter, so make it again, generate. Yeah, so this is our beam. So to make a modal analysis, what we have to do is just it requires 2 supports. So as you see from the problem, one end is fixed and the other on the other end 500 Newton is applied in the y direction, so in the transversal direction. So to make that, we have to close this design modular and we have to proceed to the model stage. So if you double clicking on the model, so the circumference will display like this. So for checkup from the geometry, you can see the material we have used for this analysis. So the material from the geometry for the solid, the material, the assignment is structural steel. So that is right. So if you see the material is structural steel, so we are on good stage, then we have to accept the default image. Let us generate it. By the way, machine has a great influence on Ansys analysis. So in the next video, I will show you how can you adjust some machine code. That means on Ansys basics. So I will show that on the layer. I will show you later. So to make a modal analysis, we have to, from the analysis setting, we have to adjust our maximum modes. So in this case, we intend to calculate 3. So if you want to another number, you can change it. So for terminal, let us select 6. So let us solve. So after the solution is done, if you press on the solution tree, so it creates the first 6 natural frequency. Before that, we missed something. So from the modal tree, we have to fix one end of the beam. So let us fix this side by selecting the face selection. Let us apply a fixed support. So then if you solve again the results and click on the solution, you will get the first 6 natural frequency of this system. So select all the natural frequencies and make it click on create mode shapes result. So it automatically creates the 6 deformations. So if you solve it, you will see the total deformation by different natural frequencies. So if you want to see all the total deformations by different natural frequency, it seems like this. So if you want to animate this, you can see, you can click here, and this is how can you do your Ansys. So by varying the total deformations, that means by varying the natural frequencies, you will see different mode of deformation. So this is how can you do a modal analysis by using Ansys workbench. I hope this is a helpful video for you. If you think or if you believe that this is interesting for you, please subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Thanks.